Players are here, ready to go. The carts are all fueled and ready on the pad. Perfect, everything is on schedule.
But operations tell a different story. A missing buggy, no tracking, no visibility. The buggy breaks down mid-course, battery failure, no warning, no data. Ugh, seriously? This thing is dead. Nothing, absolutely nothing. Hours later, it's found abandoned near a pond. Now it's not just lost time, it's replacement cost. Customers wait longer. Queues build up. No buggy means no game.
This isn't a golf problem. It's a visibility problem.
Introducing Buggtrac, the smarter way to manage your golf fleet.
Monitor every battery cell in real time. Track every buggy across the course. See exactly which hole each buggy is on.
Optimize your fleet.
Eliminate guesswork.
System shows we have 20 buggies ready here and 80 over at the East Course.
Perfect. What's the status on the 100 new ones? They're being delivered tomorrow. The fleet will be fully operational. Golf is a precision sport. Your fleet management should be too.
Contact us today to transform your golf operations.